I've made you a note flight of driving range, and this video is going to show you how to use it. I'm going to press play. Now, if you want it to go slower, you click on the 100% and you see the slider, and let's slide it all the way down so that it's 50% of speed. Now I would get ready on the pause button and click the pause button, and then you can of course scroll back up to that first line, practice what you've just heard, either looking at the Noteflight or looking at your music. And click in any measure if you want to start it right there. You can start right there. Say you want to hear this measure and get that really good. And then pause it. And then do it again. Like that. So, say you've gotten this first line really well and you want to learn the second line. Just click right here in this measure and start it. Now, what I would do, after you can play it through at 50%, I would open the slider and go up to 60%. Now, I'm going to stop it just a minute and show. If you have a place selected in the piece, like I had stopped right here in this measure and paused it. It's sitting right there in the music. If I hit play, it starts there. If I hit beginning, it goes back to the beginning. Practice it at 60, and when you have it all the way through at 60, go to your tempo slider and put it up to 70. Now it's going to start right here if I hit play. Okay, I'm going to go back to the beginning and slide it up to that's 80, and then I would put it up to 90. And then eventually you'll get to 100. And then for a challenge, just see if you can play it at 110. and take it up as far as you want to go. Let's see how ridiculous it sounds at 200%. You really want to get it all the way through in a really slow tempo before you start trying to speed it up. But that high speed is a real challenge. The other thing that you can do is put it on 120 and see if you can play left hand all the way through with it. I mean, put it on 100% and see, can you play left hand all the way through? And can you play right hand all the way through? And then slow it down and put your hands together.